Would you like to meet some real-time Spirums? Easy. All you have to do is look into my eyes.
Humans, what are they again?
They have their uses, especially when they feel bonded with our race.
My spiral is a rising star in their midst.
They have their uses, especially when they feel bonded with our race. Very racy, and so many of them, so who cares if they break easily?
Humans of Qantas spiral with us in the star waves. Humans of Terra, they are on their own. I have come to know their ways. They have more power than we Spyrum think they have.
Why? Is there a difference? You know, fundamentally. Okay, so Spirans can live up to 900 years. They can move at warp speed, they can tap into the flow of energy fields, commune, which is how they communicate, can manipulate atomic perceptions, heat atoms, cool atoms, but at the end of the day, we're all people.
Humans are solely composed of atomic energy. A Spyrum could tear a human apart atom by atom if he was feeling in a particularly charged mood. Ha, only kidding.